Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 3 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. This machine can make 3 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours. And that capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. This machine is equipped with one Danfoss screw compressor, air cooling condenser, and the air cooling condenser is equipped with 1, 2, 3, 4 air cooling fans. The 4 air cooling fans keeps working together in hot summer. When the ambient temperature goes down, 1 or 2 or 3 fans automatically off themselves. So this machine is specifically to work stably in both hot summer and cold winter. Now we are checking the inside of the ice generator. The ice plate is working quietly and smoothly on the ice layer. Water is getting frozen in a new cycle. New ice layer is formed. The ice plate crush on the ice layer and remove all the new made ice down. The rotation is going on very smoothly and quietly. This is the perfect. The rotation repeats itself again and again. Okay. Very dry, well frozen ice flakes, good quality ice. Basically, this is all I want to show about my 3 ton per day capacity flake ice machine.